Today we have a video from Underwatch, and the title of the video is Walmart shoplifter thinks he can escape after stealing $800 in merchandise.
Come on. You ran.
I did not run.
Did you take something without paying for it?
No, sir. I did not take anything.
On March 27th, 2025, officers responded to a shoplifting call at a Walmart after loss prevention reported a man attempting to exit with unpaid merchandise. The suspect was observed bypassing the final point of sale while presenting a questionable digital receipt. Officers confronted the individual inside the store, where the incident quickly escalated and led to police intervention.
I'm gonna try to walk out so I can push him towards the door. Come on. Put your hands behind your back. Put them behind your back now. Stop fucking resisting. Put your hands behind your back. Why are you running? Chill out. You're being detained for a retail theft. Relax, dude. But now you're under arrest for what? Now you're under arrest for resisting. Since you want to play games.
I can lift myself, sir.
No, get your hand. Let go of your phone. Let go of your phone. Let go of your phone. Put your hands behind your back. There you go. Left. Sit on the bench.
Excuse me, you got
Okay. Can you double check him? Hold on. He's got him backwards. He's already ran.
What?
Grab an arm. He's already ran. You ran.
That's because y'all scared me.
How did we scare you? I just said, hey, come in here.
I ain't right. I ain't know what y'all wanted, sir.
Well, that doesn't mean you need to run. We could have just had talk.
You're right. Right about that.
Cool?
Sorry.
So don't do it next time.
I apologize.
Because now you're getting charged for it.
I'm getting charged for it, sir.
You ran.
I did not run. I was scared. He ran up on me. He was on duty. He did not see no badge until the last minute, sir. I swear to God.
You saw us? I'm not going to argue with you.
No, I'm not trying to argue, sir.
Put your hands, are you trying to pull your hands through? Because if you leave them, then don't try to pull them out of the
No,
car.
I'm not trying to pull them out of the door.
Okay, I'm just saying they are perfectly fine.
I'm not just... Take a seat. You got ID on you?
No, sir.
You don't have ID on you?
No, sir.
All right. I'm gonna read you this real quick before I can talk to you.
They never have ID. They never have ID. We already know that. We know that.
Okay. Yeah. That's what's going on today. But
Listen, I was just chilling. My family lives there.
it is chilling. You were shopping? What do you?
I was shopping.
Why are you?
Can I get a paper towel, please?
Paper towel? Yeah.
So, did you take something without paying for it?
No, sir. I did not take anything. The Walmart man handed me the thing, handed me the bags, and that was that. And then the guy walked up to me and said, "You want? Hold on, wait." Then that's when I sent you guys. And I literally I was scared, so that's what I did.
Why did you run?
I was scared. I ain't know. I was in basically the Saturday gave it to me.
So if I watch the footage, I'm gonna see you pay for the items.
No, you're not gonna see me pay.
Why not?
Because I had to order delivery, so.
You had an order?
Yeah, but it probably hasn't been the wrong store. Obviously, if you guys came to arrest me. So, I don't know.
You say you had an order. What kind of order? Shopping for somebody?
Yeah.
Do you have proof of that? You have the order on your phone?
No, sir.
Or anything?
No, sir.
Are you supposed to have one of those? Don't they give you one of those before you?
Yeah, I'm doing it with my girlfriend.
The suspect denied stealing any merchandise and insisted the items were legally obtained. He claimed the products were part of an online order and maintained his innocence during questioning. However, officers later reviewed store surveillance footage, which clearly showed the suspect passing the final point of sale without paying, confirming that the merchandise had been taken unlawfully.
You had the order for your girlfriend?
Yeah.
But you didn't get dispatched to take a...
No. I probably was at the wrong store. Like I said, the guy could have told me that, I don't see
You said the
anything.
wrong store, but it would be on your phone, not...
You get what I'm saying? Right. But my GPS was here. So, at the end of the day, that's what I'm saying.
Man, you going to quit bullshitting us?
I'm not bullshitting.
We have a case from a month ago where you did the same thing and
Not
you
me.
didn't get caught. It was you.
No, it wasn't,
Yes,
ma'am.
it was.
No, it wasn't.
Then who was
What you
it?
talking about?
Okay, well we have video footage of it.
Okay, can you show
And
me?
it's the same exact
Okay,
item.
can you show me that it's me?
Yeah, he'll pull it up.
Okay, please.
You stole those items.
I stole them and I own up to it if I take my accountability. But honestly, they would have told me. They would have told me if I would have stole anything. Honestly, I'm gonna be
But
Who
real.
would have told you?
The Walmart worker would have walked up to you like you stealing.
That's what he tried to do. That's what he tried to do. He tried to stop you.
Right.
Yeah. And then you ran.
I did. I put the bag down and I got scared because I did not know who he was. Honestly.
Man, I told you to stop, and then I grabbed your arm and you turned around and ran. So stop playing this whole game. If you stole, just own up to it. You're an adult.
I am owning up to it, sir.
You're not owning up to anything. You've been bullshitting this the whole time.
Sir, the man literally handed me the items. I didn't take anything without paying for any.
He gonna lie until he can't lie no more, man. At that point, instead of lying, it's just better to not say nothing at all. That's just, you have the right to remain silent. Just do that. Because you lying, and you know Walmart is the worst places to do these things, and people keep doing it. They got cameras, man. Them things, man, they can see you in 8K. All right, forget 4K. They see you in 8K, man. Places, Walmart, Target, Best Buy. You know, these places their technology is up to par. Don't let them fool you. Oh, they put in self-checkouts. I remember maybe 10 years ago, they started putting in all the self-checkouts and everything. They started putting in all the self-checkouts, whatever. People were so happy. They were like, yes, we ain't got to sit in line and all that stuff or whatever. Man, that thing is a setup to catch you. Okay? People forgetting to scan things, don't scan things on purpose. They scan in your face. When you go up to the self-check, they scan in your face. It's a face scan. They could pull your whole thing up, man. They know it's you. Them cameras is clear.
You have proof that you purchased the items at all? Is anything to prove that you bought the items or you didn't?
How are we?
No, he ain't got nothing.
Believe you if you can't provide us any proof. You see what we're saying?
See what you're saying? Honestly.
Okay.
The way
So
you ordered, you have a receipt on your phone.
That's how Spark
That's what-
works.
if you
I
have
understand
the-
that.
Okay. How'd you know what to order then?
Because she told me.
Your girl told you?
She's standing next to where she was. I saw her.
She just said, go pick this stuff up and walk out with it. Simple.
No, I walked to the Walmart worker.
Okay. So how'd you get past the Walmart worker? What'd you just say? My girl just told me to get these. I gotta walk out with them?
I just told them I had an order, sir.
Okay. So
I never.
You just told them that they had an order and they just went,
Listen,
okay,
sir,
see you later.
You're right. That was it. You just
Really?
say,
So if we go ask them?
Go ask them. Go ask them.
They didn't ask you for proof of anything?
Go ask them. Go ask them right now, sir.
Oh, we will.
Go ask them.
You have anything on you that's
Metal, anything?
Because listen.
No, sir.
Time out. So how?
I just want to know.
No, time out.
She said that. No.
Let me talk for a second. So if that Walmart worker, how does it make sense that you walked up to them with your stuff, you told them that you had a Spark order,
Right.
and they didn't ask for any proof of it, they just said go. That doesn't make any sense. Why would they do that?
Ask them, sir.
You see how it doesn't make no sense?
You can ask them.
We'll talk to him.
Talk to him.
This whole thing is just you lying.
I'm not lying, sir.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna have you stand up against the wall. I'm gonna search your car. Do you have anything on you?
No, sir.
Real quick, listen to me.
Dude, sir.
Listen to me real quick. So your name's
Listen.
listen.
Y'all
No.
trying to listen. This is what y'all trying to do. Y'all trying to basically say that's me.
Okay,
And
so-
y'all can zoom. Listen, y'all can zoom in that video.
So pause
and look
on
and
that for a
see,
second.
sir.
Pause on that for a second, okay? So right now, do you have a driver's license or an ID card out of Illinois?
No, sir.
No. Never been issued a photo ID or anything like that?
Lying.
No, sir.
Who's got to go to jail, right?
Yeah.
I mean, we can't.
So if we can't identify you, you have to go to Tazewell County
I'm telling
Jail.
you guys.
I know. I'm
I
saying,
told you.
well, regardless, you're going to jail.
I understand that.
So what I'm saying though is the jail probably won't release you until they can actually confirm who you are.
So do
And
you
that's
have an
what I'm saying.
ID
We're
or
trying
not?
to find out like if you have an ID of a different state, if your name's different. That
Right.
So that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm getting at.
Right.
Because the jail's not going to release you until they actually confirm with some sort of paperwork, like who you actually are. Because they're not going to release you. 'cause
He
it'll be just
knows
essentially
that.
like a John Doe charge until you go in front of a judge.
So you bullshitting on your name or not?
No, sir. I'm telling you my real name.
Let's take him out. Put him in the car. You got everything you need?
Yes.
This one right here. Take a seat. Are we switching?
Based on the charges filed, the suspect was held accountable for retail theft involving the alteration or removal of a price label, as well as resisting or obstructing a peace officer during the arrest. The suspect was issued a notice to appear for court proceedings, served with a criminal trespass ban from Walmart, and taken into custody before being transported to the Tazewell County Jail for further processing. What's your take on this case?
Bro, we see these all the time. That's stealing from Walmart. That shit is so played out. That is, if you gonna be a criminal, you better come up with something different, because this is just ridiculous. These guys, it's like, I'm gonna steal from Walmart. Hey, take me to jail. Like, listen, and they might let you slide once or twice. You see what she said? You did this before or whatever. We let you slide. That's pretty much what she's saying. We let you slide on that one. We got the footage of you. And you come back doing the same thing. You think if he came back and, was just doing regular shopping and stuff like that, they would have stopped him? Probably not. But when it becomes a pattern and stuff like that, you're done. You're through. You're through. Overall, the cops did a good job, man. I'm surprised that cop had hand tattoos. I know law enforcement has gotten lenient on the tattoos, which I think they should, but hand tattoos, like on your hand. Go back and watch the video. He got, what's the, when they got like the skull and bones representation of like your hand, that's what he got on his hand. That is wild. I'm all for tattoos. You know what I mean? I'm tatted, but typically they don't let you go past your wrist. Typically it's, jobs don't let you go past your wrist. That's why mine isn't past my wrist. Mine isn't past my wrist just because most places ain't letting you go past your. He got tattoos on his neck, hands, and I'm not saying it's a bad thing. That doesn't mean you incompetent, can't do your job. I'm not saying that, but it don't look professional though. I ain't gonna lie to you. But anyway, that's another story for another time. That's another topic for another time. But yeah, I'm gonna get officers 5 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. I'm glad you made it till the end of the video. Before you go, if you want early access to YouTube videos before they get let out to the public, please consider becoming a channel member. And if you want exclusive access to videos that will not be on YouTube, please consider becoming a Patreon member. And I'll catch you in the next video. The links are in the description box.